Household chores. Household chores can seem never ending. There's always something to do. Daily cooking, cleaning, regular cleaning, deep cleaning, laundry, washing dishes, etc. There is so much work at home that it can make even most Zen person overwhelmed. Add one or two kids to the scenario and it's perfect recipe for disaster. Managing household chores with small kids can not only be time consuming but it can also be tremendously hectic. Unfortunately, in current pandemic times, most of us don't have a house helper who can vacuum the floors, do the laundry, or tidy up the rooms. Instead, all of the responsibilities to keep the home spick and span falls on our shoulders. However, doing household chores doesn't have to be doom and gloom. So today, I will share with you 10 tips to manage household chores like a pro without any external help. I hope you find these tips helpful. If so, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Mom and Me. I'm aiming for 2000 likes, so एक like तो बनता है. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Wake up early. Waking up early can add few quiet hours to your day. Even if you wake up an hour early than your regular time, it will make you feel in charge. And just that mood will set the tone of the day and you will work like a pro. Also, while you're doing chores, make a conscious effort to move your body 20% swifter, as this will add more time on your plate. I sometimes watch my own videos and realize how slow I am moving while doing chores. So now I make a conscious effort to move my body a little faster when I'm doing the chores. Second, establish a routine for daily chores. There are certain tasks that we need to do on daily basis, like making the bed, cooking, cleaning up the kitchen afterwards, doing dishes, vacuuming the floor, etc. Having a routine for such chores is important as that sets you in autopilot mode and you will start doing these chores without thinking much. Having a morning power hour routine will help you tick off most of these tasks from your list and free up your time for later part of the day. 3. Divide deep cleaning chores into chunks. As far as deep cleaning is concerned, there are two ways to tackle it. 1. Wait till you see the dirt and grime on the surface before you think to clean it. But it will take a lot of energy and efforts and in most cases will be demotivating as the task is time consuming now. So procrastination will kick in and it starts a vicious cycle of I don't have time to deep clean, I'm too busy, etc. On the other hand, assign 30 minutes daily to tackle one area or room so that cleaning never becomes a chore. It could be just cleaning a window or a door or a sliding door rail or wiping your furniture, etc. You know your house better and should keep an eye on which area needs attention. I highly recommend light but regular cleaning of one area, then deep clean every 6 months. Say for example, past month I did a whole house deep clean. I picked up one bedroom a day and thoroughly cleaned it top to bottom. I first dusted the room, wiped the furniture, cleaned the sliding door rails, washed the window from inside out, cleaned the glass mirrors, finally vacuumed and mopped the floor. And now I don't have to worry for next few months to deep clean this room except light dusting. Likewise, I cleaned and decluttered other bedrooms too. I had to plan my meals a day before so that I can squeeze in time for deep clean. My kids' room needs to be decluttered and organized every now and then as they are still very young and cannot share full responsibility to clean up after themselves. So again, once every few weeks, I will sit in their room, do a deep clean, organize their wardrobes, clean floors thoroughly, declutter their toys and do the needful. I will come back to deep clean this room next month. I will sometimes clean front porch, put all plants away, sweep and mop. Sydney weather can get very windy and we get a lot of dust and dry leaves. So I clean entrance area at least once a week or every fortnight. Fun fact, a lot of people tell me India jitna kachra kahan hota hai Australia mein. So see, this is me cleaning this windscreen and how dusty it is. I had cleaned it only a few weeks ago. So it does get dusty, especially so as we have a park across the road. Cleaning becomes challenging when kids are around. It feels like they are creating the mess behind you while you're actually getting the cleaning job done. But it's okay to have an untidy and messy home as long as it is clean. So divide your house into sections and clean one area or room on weekly basis. This will reduce the need to deep clean. 4. Prioritize. Do the most important task first in case you run out of time. For me, cooking is most important task, so I like to get it done and dusted as soon as I can. It gives me immense relief that the most important task is done. Also, if you attend to cooking first, other following chores like doing dishes and cleaning up the kitchen counter can be attended on time too. If after doing most important tasks the lazy bug strikes me, then I will make sure next time the leftover items will be the priority, like laundry, filling up the bins, etc. Fifth is clean as you go. One very efficient way to clean your kitchen is clean as you go method. While your lunch or dinner is being cooked, use in between wait time to clean or tidy up your counter. Wash few dishes, even if you wash only 3 to 4 dishes or only one pot, it will all add up in the end. Tidy your platform and put stuff away. Put away masala dabba or lentil dabbas back into the pantry, etc. There is so much that you can do in between those cooking time if you choose not to be on internet while cooking. So keep social media distractions aside. Sixth, meal planning. Once a week, create a family meal plan. This will save you valuable time trying to come up with ideas for meals each day. First, prepare a menu and do weekend prep like making green chutney, boil potatoes, or make patties and freeze them, make pizza sauce, tomato paste, etc. All this will save you precious hours on weekdays and will take the guessing game of what should I cook for dinner tonight, giving you mental peace. I have a detailed video on meal prep, menu ideas, pre-preparations, and heaps of vegetarian recipes. I will link that in the description box below. Another tip is to buddy up on dishes. When more than one item needs to be boiled, use the same pressure cooker rather than two to cut down on dishwashing time. Also, have you ever tried no gas cooking, like making a fresh veggie sandwich, avocado toast, having cereal for breakfast, etc.? Monday morning breakfast a no gas breakfast for me, and I literally go into the kitchen at very end moment when my kids are hungry and I still manage to serve them food on time. Wheat Bix with milk and fruits is a go-to meal Monday mornings, and I tell you, I feel so relaxed Monday mornings. I feel I don't have to cook and the breakfast is ready. This is an immense relief. So try no gas cooking recipes in your meal plan too. 7. Laundry routine. Another big and time consuming task is washing the dirty clothes, hanging them to dry, fold them, put them back into the wardrobes. The quickest way to do your laundry at home is by doing it all at once. This will save you multiple sessions of loading, unloading, drying, ironing, folding, and putting away. Also start washing machine early morning as you will have to do few loads. I sometimes use 2 racks to hang clothes. Once clothes are dry, fold them off the rack itself. Do not pile them anywhere as this way you will never come around to it on time. One great hack that I use is to use hangers. I hang as many clothes as I can using hangers, and once they are dry, they go straight to the wardrobe. I don't iron clothes we wear at home. 8th, getting floors clean. Use good quality vacuums, brooms, and mops to keep your floors clean. Add doormats at the entrance of the house to reduce the risk of having to clean up muddy footprints. Create a no-shoe policy in your home to keep your floors cleaner for longer. A spin mop like this is very convenient tool to get floors cleaned quickly. It has microfiber mop head that easily lifts up dirt, dust and hair and do not transfer it back onto the floor. Also, its water ring function helps you control how wet or dry mop should be while mopping. So having a spin mop will make your life easy than using traditional mop sets. Mine is Dr. Fuzzy 360-degree spin floor mop in case you're wondering. 9th, cleaning tools. Having good quality cleaning tools gets job half done. A set of microfiber cloth like this wherein you have one microfiber cloth for each surface, whether it's heavy duty kitchen platform, glass surface, one for dusting and one for multi-purpose use. Having good microfiber cloths makes cleaning easy and less time consuming. Also, a microfiber duster like this will save you time and energy while dusting the house. It can be used at any surface like TV, walls, clocks, furniture, etc. It's especially useful for getting into those corners where a microfiber cloth cannot reach and wipe. Having different kinds of cleaning brushes like these makes difficult to clean areas a breeze. Whether you want to clean a bottle or teeny tiny gaps on bottle top, having cleaning brushes are absolute must. Another useful tool is a good vacuum cleaner and a mop. Good vacuum cleaner will not only make cleaning efficient but also quicker. A spin mop like this will save you time to squeeze out extra water from the mop head, making it most preferable mop in today's date. 10. Cleaning products. Along with having right cleaning tools, it's vital to have good quality cleaning products as well. I have been using this rose disinfectant since a year now and I couldn't be happier. I buy it in bulk 5-liter pack which will last me full year and it only costed me $30. It is a multi-purpose cleaner and can be used on any surface, kitchen platform, bathroom tiles or furniture. It's best to use cleaning supplies that have more than one purpose instead of one cleaning supply per need. You don't need separate cleaners for the bathroom and the kitchen. This is also a good way to be environmentally friendly. If you want to make your stainless steel appliances or sink as brand new, use Jif Cream. This is the only product I've been using on steel since years and trust me, it gives great results. I have also DIY'd a homemade bathroom cleaner. It's made from white vinegar, lemon and orange peels and that's pretty much it. All I did was I took a mason jar, filled it with white vinegar and citrus peels of your choice and leave it at room temperature for about 2 weeks and your concentrated mix is ready. You can add 50% water to dilute it and make bathroom cleaner. Adding water and infused citrus oil will reduce pungent smell of vinegar, though it will very much still be there. Another natural cleaning product that you can use and which is very effective is baking soda. My two favorite uses of baking soda are cleaning gas hob and chimney filter. But make sure you do not oversprinkle like me and especially do not sprinkle in these little holes that brings fire out. Otherwise your gas functioning will be affected. I have done it in past, so speaking from experience. Easiest way to clean chimney filter is to dip it in a solution of hot water and baking soda overnight. Next morning scrub lightly and change water twice and put it out in the sun to dry. It will be as clean as new. 11. Daily 5-minute bathroom cleaning routine. One of the best examples I can give you of regular versus deep cleaning is my 5-minute daily bathroom cleaning routine. I follow few steps and bathroom is clean in no time and I never feel the need to deep clean. First, I quickly empty the bathroom by removing towels, bath mats, also clear the countertop. Next, I will spray my vinegar solution. Third, I will wipe the sink and toilet using toilet wipes and flush them. Lastly, put water on the floor and squeegee the floor and later wipe it. One great way to always keep toilet clean is using such toilet blocks. Just attach them to the rim and it will keep your toilet bowl clean and stain free with every flush. Doing a little bit each day will keep you from spending all Saturday scrubbing. So guys, the key is to break down your task and have a routine. Waking up early adds those few extra hours to your day which could work like magic. Do a little bit every day so that it never becomes burdensome. Meal plan your week to avoid stress and anxiety on weekdays. There's so much you can do to make your life easy. I hope you found these tips helpful and will incorporate them into your life. If you like to see more videos on such topics, simply give this video a like and I will include more such content on my channel. That's it for this video guys and I shall see you in the next one. Bye for now.